What's up, guys? So today we're going to be cleaning the K&N Air Filter and then re-oiling it. Project Yellow JK, subscriber, sent out this cleaning kit. He was the original guy who actually bought me the K&N filter, so he sent me this too. So huge thanks to him. Thanks, bro. I appreciate it. Yeah, so we're just going to be taking this off. I'm going to show you how to use the cleaning kit for the K&N filter. So first we're just going to pop off this guy here, and then to make it easy, I'm just gonna pull off the hose here. Take the filter out. So there we go. Obviously mine's very clean. I just put this in not too long ago, but we're gonna clean it anyway, just so you can show you guys how to do that. So, okay, so here's the cleaner here. So all we're going to do is we're going to spray this on both sides, let it sit for about 10 minutes, it says, and then we're going to hose it off with just some water, and then we're going to dry it off, let this dry, and then we use the oiler to then re-oil the filter. And spray this down here. Doesn't really say how much of this stuff to use, but seems pretty good. So let this sit for just a little bit. It says not to let this dry. Seeing as mine's really not that dirty, I'm going to go ahead and water this off right away. Rinse this guy off. So now we got all the cleaner off of there. Now we're just gonna let this dry, and then once we're dry, we'll move on to the next step. Alrighty, so the filter is dry now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna grab the oil here. It says to spray it on, and I guess we'll see how this goes. Okay, maybe went a little crazy in the front there. We can clean that up later. We'll do the back here. Okay, that looks pretty good. So I'm gonna obviously clean up some of this oil on the edges here, but I will be able to stick this right back in the Jeep. Now I'm just gonna put the filter back in. Alrighty, guys, so that's how you use the recharger for your K&N filter on your, probably I would assume any filter that requires oiling. So anyway, guys, huge thanks to Project Yellow JK again for sending this out to me. Super chill dude, so thank you, bro, for that. And yeah, so anyway, guys, hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. Definitely consider subscribing. That helps me out a lot, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video.